Hey everyone, a record-breaking data breach was just reported by Cybernews, and this video is a bit different from what I usually post. I barely edited anything because I wanted to bring you this information as quickly as possible and share a few tips on how you can protect yourselves. Because guys, it's very likely that both you and I were affected. Basically, over 16 billion leaked passwords have been found related to Apple, Facebook, and Google accounts. It's still unclear how the breach happened. It may have been caused by malware, but there are other possible causes too, like SQL injection. By the way, I have a video where I explain blind SQL injection, and I talk exactly about this type of vulnerability. I'm leaving the link in the description. So what can we do now to protect ourselves? First of all, don't panic. It's not as bad as it sounds, at least for now. I've added the link to the full report in the description so you can read all the details by yourselves. But the first thing you need to do, guys, is change your passwords. If you reuse passwords, you are vulnerable to a type of attack called credential stuffing. Basically, a hacker will take your email and password from a data breach. Then they'll use tools like Sherlock to find all the social media accounts linked to your email. And they will try logging into all those accounts using the same credentials. I haven't made a full video on credential stuffing yet, but I do have a tutorial on how to use Sherlock to find someone's social media accounts. The link is also in the description. Now you must be wondering, how are you supposed to remember and type all those strong unique passwords? And that's where a password manager comes in. The one I recommend is Proton Drive, which is also a partner of the channel. It has a great free version that's more than enough for most people. It generates strong passwords and automatically fills them in for you. But if you want to use their paid version, which includes even more useful features, you can use my link in the description. You get a big discount there. At the moment it's 50% off, but that may change. The second thing I strongly recommend is enabling two-factor authentication on all your accounts. Guys, seriously, please add 2FA to all of them. But please guys, don't use SMS for 2FA, it's not secure. Instead, use an authenticator app as your second factor. If you decide to go with Proton Pass, it already comes with built-in 2FA support. But there are other apps too, like Alti. Alti is also free, though as far as I know, it doesn't manage passwords, just 2FA codes, but that's enough in this case. And guys, finally, and maybe the most important tip of all, try to identify all your old accounts, especially from Google, Facebook, and Apple. But also any other services you've used in the past. And by the way, Sherlock can give you a hand in finding some of those accounts. And if you don't use that account anymore, just delete it. But if you still need it, then do the same as we talked about. Change the password and set up 2FA to all of them. Because imagine, for example, you have an old Hotmail account and by chance it uses the same password that got leaked from your Google account. If a hacker uses the same credentials, they will get to log in and they will have access to all your old emails. And that can include personal info, and even they can get a password reset link to old accounts too. So do take your old accounts seriously, guys, alright? Guys, don't forget to like and share this video so more people can stay safe. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. There is a lot of more good content coming soon.